Hi guys, and welcome to the brand new episode of Marketing Weekly, The Spaceship View. In this week, we'll learn why video marketing is not dead. Then we'll talk about how artificial intelligence is changing the landscape of marketing. Then we'll see how Coco-Cola is leveraging augmented reality to improve the engagement as well as entertainment among its consumers. Apart from that, we'll learn many things about new brands as well as what all the brands are doing. So let's dive into the new episode of Marketing Weekly, The Spaceship View. And yes, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.
In Cool Creatives, I have 3 exciting brands for you. The first one is a classic example when 2 different brands coming together and creating a unified content for advertisement as well as entertainment. Here OnePlus 7 is being unboxed by Bunty, a character of Secret Games. In this rather hilarious video, you can see the feel of both the product in one content. Let's check out this exciting video.
तो अभी क्या है ना कि ये लोग अपन को इधर ऐसा एसी के रूम में बिठा कर ये डब्बा खोलने का पैसा दे रहे हैं। क्या बोलते हैं उसको अंग्रेजी में? ओ क्या? अबे क्या था वो? हाँ, अनबॉक्सिंग। अमीर लोग का शौक। अपन को क्या?
अरे ऐसे नहीं सर, धीरे से, जैसे आपको बताया था।
क्या बोला? तेरी मम्मी का पेटीकोट है कि धीरे से खोलेगा मैं? अभी साले बीच में बोला ना तो तेरी इसी डब्बे में डालकर इधर ही खोल देगा मैं। समझ ला?
कट।
डब्बे को ऐसे पकड़ने का, ज्यादा हिलाने का नहीं। जो करेगा डब्बा अपने आप करेगा। वो क्या है ना, बेमतलब हिलाने से लाइफ में सिर्फ टेंशन आता है और कुछ नहीं।
Next on Cool Creatives, I have Kia Motor. Now Kia Motor just launched in India few months back. So they have created a rather unorthodox video of mimicking an engine of a car with that of a group of ballerina, an astronaut, a football, as well as a tiger. Now this video got 300 million views on YouTube, which helped Kia Motors to increase their ad recall to 36.2% as well as bringing brand favorability to 15.4%. Now guys, for a brand who just launched in India, this is something huge. It also proves that video contents are not dead, and if you make a nice video, it will really help driving digital market strategy. This week in digital, I have Coco-Cola for you. So Coca-Cola leveraged an augmented reality experience for their users. So they tied up with Swiss football player Shidam Shaqiri and create an augmented reality on-screen experience for users. So now if you can look closely to this video, we can see the participant is not just this lady playing with the football. It is all these people in the background, giggling, laughing, happy about what they are seeing. So that creates an unforgettable event. Now, unforgettable event means PR, an endorsement by customers, which is always welcomed by the marketing team. In recent times, although the AR technology is developing well, but I don't see a lot of brands doing such campaigns. So I'm hopeful that in future we will see more AR campaigns. That's it. This week in What the Fuck, I have LG. Now we all know that LG is known for its washing machine. So LG took part in Tennessee's Bonnaroo Music and Art Festival. So it's a 4 days long festival, and obviously if people stay for 4 days, they get dirty clothes. So LG thought about providing free laundry service as well as clothing swaps. So from the need point of view, they hit the bullseye. But I am just apprehensive at how much of this effort translates into improvement of brand perception. Because maybe people think it more as a utility rather than something special. So that's my opinion. If you share a different opinion, do let me know in the comment. In this week's Marketing 101, we are going to discuss an extremely important topic, and it is about who are my ideal customers. So whenever you want to design a new product or a service or anything, you need to know who are my ideal customers. But how to find the ideal customer? For that, you have to decide the buyer's persona. So what is a buyer persona? So buyer personas are your ideal customer. It is everything you want in a customer. But how to find it? It's very simple. It starts with asking, who are they? Then to find out what are their preferences. Next, what is driving those preferences? And the last one is how can you leverage what you already know about your customer to making how can you leverage the above three factors in serving them better. So I have here with me a template of buyer's persona. All you need is to just fill all these fields and the buyer's persona you can judge the buyer's persona from this. I'll put a link at the end of the video, so you can go to my website and download it. This week in the data, we'll talk about a report by PwC which talks about artificial intelligence in India. So there are three broad spectrum on which AI works. The first one is about reading the text and analyzing what the text means. Is it a happy message? Is it a sad message? Is it about finance? And things like that. Second, we have speech recognition. This is something Alexa or Siri or Google Home does. When you ask them something, they give you the output. The third one is image processing. This also includes facial movement. It is something when you smile, the selfie clicks the picture. So it is similar to that. Now when it comes to sharing information, so 93% of the participants have concern when it comes to private life. But when we talk about professional life, 75% are more than happy to have an AI advisor over a human manager. So we can say that when we need an unbiased opinion, we prefer AI compared to human manager. Next we have how AI is capable when it comes to customer service. So most of us have been on a phone call where at the other hand there was a computer who was saying the same thing again and again and it was not understanding. But this thing will possibly change in the next few years. Now the last topic is about which jobs are in trend. So simple jobs like writing an email or a repetitive paperwork, or let's say entering a time star, things like that are more vulnerable for an AI attack. But overall, creative jobs will not be in danger, at least for the time being. So that's all for the week, guys. Do subscribe my channel as well as like the video. Thank you.